Hello, Norman Hallett here, and welcome to your next edition of 4-Minute Drill for Traders. In the last drill, we got you jump-started in your journaling. We talked about an end of the trading day journaling process to get you started. That process looked like, ask yourself first, what did I do right in my trading today? Followed by, where did I stumble and why? Followed by making a corrective statement for the next day's trading so that yesterday's weakness becomes tomorrow's strength. So, following this procedure, an end-of-the-day journaling entry may go something like this. Today I was patient when I entered my trades. I took only trades that were defined by my trading plan to take. I did have a small lapse where I lifted my stop because someone on CNBC said something supportive of my position and I didn't want to be stopped out, and that resulted in a larger loss than designed. This was totally unlike me. Tomorrow I will prove that I am the stop king and place and adjust my stops only according to my valued trading plan. This is my way, the way of the disciplined trader. Okay, so I stated what I did right, took all my trades correctly, where I slipped and why, moved the stops because of someone on CNBC, and then made a statement of correction and committed to the next day's trading. Now, let me give you an add-on technique that I promised that will double the power of the end of the trading technique that I've just demonstrated. What you want to do on the next trading day, right at the beginning, so this is the before trading entry, before you look at your charts, let's call it a beginning of the day journal entry. You want to restate the statement of commitment in the present tense as opposed to the way you stated it the day before in the future tense. So it would go like this. Today I wear the crown of the stop king, and as such I will be placing and adjusting my stops only according to my tested trading plan. I am a wise and disciplined trader, and I will again demonstrate that proud fact. You see, the night before, you started out by projecting the vision of yourself and how you would act the next day. You built neural pathways with your positive behavior message, sticking to your stops. And now, the next day, you lock in those positive pathways by restating your commitment in the present and reaffirming who you are, the wise and disciplined trader. And take it from me, this is powerful stuff. This 1-2 punch has you first honoring yourself with a positive statement of positive action you took, then come clean with where you need to improve without beating yourself up. Then you make a commitment of correction. Then you lock it in with a restatement of the commitment in the present tense to demonstrate to yourself that you are the wise and disciplined trader. Wow, this is exciting, and I'm excited for you just telling you about it. Why? Because it works. I've seen it work. You're viewing this video because you're on a vision quest to be more disciplined in your trading, because you know that this is the difference between long-term trading struggle and long-term trading success. And you're right. Learn and use this 1-2 journaling technique, and you will take a quantum leap being the wise and disciplined trader that you seek to be. And now the ball is in your court. Okay, in the next 4-minute drill, I'm going to field a question from one of our blog posters, Sydney, who beats himself up when he leaves big money on the table. I'm going to show you how to feel good about leaving money on the table. So, until next week, stay disciplined.